Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a FAQ page in Shopify. Let's get started. So first things first, go to your page builder. Click the Pages tab, then click on Create Template. Name it FAQ and click Create Template. Let's build the banner. Change the banner text to FAQ. Change the text and background image with whatever you want. Now, let's add the FAQ section. Go back and click Add Section. Choose the collapsible content. Click on Collapsible section to customize. Next, let's change the title to find your answers here. Click on the collapsible row. Go to Icon. Choose None to remove the check mark. And to add more row, click the three dots next to the item. Choose Duplicate. And repeat this for each row you want to add. Update the text for each accordingly. Let's fill in your first FAQ item. Now, for example, change the heading to how long does shipping take. Then type the answer in the row context box below. Repeat the steps on the other row. Then let's add a contact section in case someone still needs help. Go back to the overview, click Add Section, select Rich Text, customize it, change the heading to Couldn't Find Your Answers. You can edit the heading size, change the description below. And now, let's link the button to contact page. Click the button, go to link, choose pages, and select contact. Change the label to contact us, and click save to apply all your changes. Now, let's assign this new template to an actual page. Go to your Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then click pages. Click add page, and name the title to FAQ. Under theme template, choose FAQ. Click save, and that's it. You have now created a FAQ page on Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.